Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking these Daiso Rollers out of my head. I got these in my last haul and I put these in last night. So I'll get to see how they did today. I'm super excited. So if you want to do that with me and chat a bit, definitely stay tuned. All right, let's do it. Okay, so here are the packs that I got. They were $1.50 each, and there's instructions on the back, even though it's pretty self-explanatory, but there are instructions on the back. They're in Japanese, but there's pictures as well. So I figured with how many I had, I would do I should have been doing 7 to 8 in each, 6 to 8 in each for each roller. So that's what I'm doing here, but I did smaller ones up front, or a smaller amount up front, and then more in the back. And it took me a while to kind of figure it out, getting it on here. I knew how to get it on here, but to actually do the motion of it. But I really liked these even more so than the rags because you could kind of line them up and then pinch them in between, and it holds it while you roll them up. So it just works a little bit better. I can use less of them and get more locks in there at a time, if that makes sense. Um, also, I wish I would have done this during the day because it's quite warm here, and they would have just dried in the day. That's usually what I do when I'm doing my rag curls, but I did not think it through. So I wound up doing this at night so I can have them for the next day, and I had to take a couple off in the night on the side of my head. It was super uncomfortable. Even though these are foam, it was just super uncomfortable. So I don't recommend it unless you're used to sleeping in rollers. Do this during the day and let your hair air dry. Alright, so this will be our first, I guess, real one to see how it looks because it made it through the night. And this was kind of together and it kind of popped open. It was together at this bottom part, popped open. This is looking okay. I mean, a few uses out of these probably. And it's not looking too bad. That's okay. So we'll just keep going here. These are very similar. I rolled them up similarly, like I said, to the rag curls. But I liked that I could get more into each one. I had 4 packs. No, I had 6 packs. There was 4 in each pack. Or I had 6 packs, 4 in each pack. So there was 24 altogether. And I kind of snapped that one. But I feel like it'll still work. I kind of snapped that one a little bit. Ooh, I left these in here. I did take out my other jewelry. But, anywho, so what are you guys up to today? What am I up to? I'm just doing some work on the computer. A couple of errands. Daughter at ballet, of course. And we're going to start homeschooling a little bit. Actually, my daughter kind of started already. And do more of that. After this, I hope you all are well. Please let me know down below how you are doing. What's going on with you for the week or weekend. Nice. So far, I'm really liking this. I don't think it was worth the torture of the night. So, of course, it's quite warm here right now, so I would have done this during the day if I was thinking straight. I would have done this more during the daytime and not at night. I love the fullness already. I've said in my other curl videos, and I will link those below and or above here, because I love doing some curls, although it has been a minute since I've done any. But I love, one of the things I love about them is the fullness, because I really like big hair, and you get that with your curls. Sometimes my locks feel a little, you know, a little like just kind of there, and this gives them some character. I like that about them. So if you are someone who's locked and missing that kind of curly, kinky, wild character of your loose natural hair, or just missing curly, you know, curls, or if you do a roller set or something like that on your hair, if you were straight. I got cut off a minute there. I don't know where I stopped exactly, but anywho, these will be for you. Check that out. And since my hair has grown a bit since my last time curling, this is interesting too, because it's looking a little bit different. Look at that. Nice. So far, I haven't even styled them, but so far I'm giving these a definite thumbs up. Especially for $1.50 for a pack of 4. And I was able to do 6 packs, you know. But look at this, you guys. Ooh wee. Look at this. Cody, what do you think?
It looks pretty.
Oh my god, it feels like so much hair on my head. Feels like so much hair on my head. You like it?
Yeah.
I love it. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. Look at this. This is bomb. I'm loving it so much. So I think I might stay down. I was maybe going to try one of these hair accessories I got at Daiso as well. I got, you know, you guys saw them in that Daiso video. So I was maybe going to try one of these. But, or something like, you know, this to put them up. But I mean, these are very nice right now. Maybe I'll wait till they fall a little bit more to use the accessories. I like this. Tell me down below what you guys are thinking. I'm really loving it. And you guys, oh, if I had my turquoise hair, this would be so pretty. I've been waiting to dye my hair turquoise because I've been waiting for some more of the wax, not the wax, it's no wax in it at all. The color paint, the vegan color paint, like I used to do my red curls. I've been waiting for some more of that from them. It's been a minute. I'm really chomping at the bit to color my hair. And so I hope it comes soon. If not, I might have to choose something else to do. But this with the turquoise hair, I think would look really, really good. Oh, I wish I had the turquoise. But it'll just have to wait till I get it in. And then I'll have to probably curl again, because I can imagine if I'm putting that turquoise paint on, it's going to wet it and then the curls will be gone. One thing I will say is I'll have to update on these, because with my rag curls, they stay for, you know, a while. They really stay in, and I think it's because I wet my hair so much when I'm putting them in. I don't just, you know, spritz just a little bit. So I did pretty much the same thing with these, not as much because I knew I was going to bed. And I wasn't just going to be out in the day, so not as much. So maybe they won't stay as much. I find the wetter your hair is, or the wetter your locks are, the more the curls will stick. So this is me. Let me hop up, do a 360. Alright, so yes, definitely love them. Thumbs up for sure. But that is it. If you guys haven't already, definitely like this video if you like this video. And subscribe if you haven't already. And then I will see you in another few days. Alright.